Have you ever wanted to post pictures directly to Instagram from your computer without having to go through your phone or the app, right? Well, you can, and I'll show you how now. It's pretty easy. Go straight to it. So log in to Google Chrome. Get on Google Chrome, right, on your computer, your laptop, your desktop, your Mac, whatever. Log in to Instagram in Google Chrome. Maybe you can do this in other browsers. I'm not sure, though. Go ahead and right-click anywhere on the page and hit Inspect. This will bring up the page elements on the right side of the page. On a PC, I think it might be the bottom if it's a Mac. Regardless, the page elements come up. At the top of the page elements page, there's this button. Mine's already on it, but it would be toggled off, right? And it's gonna look like a little tablet and a phone. Go ahead and click that. Okay, now you're in the mobile version of Instagram on your PC or MacBook, whatever. But you still don't see the button at the bottom to post. Easy. Hit refresh again right here. Boom. And when it refreshes, you have the post button at the bottom. You can go ahead and post from your own computer library. I hope that helped.